Okay, so this is a ratcheting strap, and this is Conall, age 4.5. Conall's going to show us how to use a ratcheting strap on the back of the truck. Okay, Conall, show us how it's done.
Okay.
And this is Dara, age 2. Dara's going to watch, maybe help, probably just watch.
And put this part onto the hole.
Okay.
Then get this part and this, and stick this in. Put in there and put it in that wee slot.
Okay.
Pull it through like a big tail. Now put this on and go like that. That's tight. There.
And we have a tight strap. Okay, Conall, do you know how to loosen it?
Yep. Now you do that. Not going there. Now you pull this hard. And roll it to the other end and hook it, and that's it all.
And that is how you put on and take off a ratchet strap. Thanks, Conall.
Okay.